Good morning, everyone. Today we are here to discuss very important topics in reasoning, that is dice and inequality type question. Let's start with. So you can see there are some inequalities given. Based on that, we have to conclude certain statement. So in this type of question, it's very easy when you do like just I show you. C you find first. C. Then you find Y. Now between C and Y, what is the common sign? Everywhere you can say that this sign is common. Just see. Okay, here it is equal to. So equal to, after equal to, this is all common. So this statement is perfectly fine. Now between Q and H, we have to see. So here is the sign this, and here is the sign this. Means both are opposite to each other. So we cannot conclude anything, and this will be our right statement. Let's do number 2. So here we see N, B and R. So here is our B and here is our R. Between this you see equal. So we cannot say about equal because here this is less than equal. Less than means this is less than equal. This is means unequal. Okay, cannot say about equality. Now next statement is B is greater than R. So here is B, here is R. So you can see every time B is greater than. Okay, so this statement holds true. That's how we have to do it, and it's very easy and interesting. Now here there are two statements, statement 1, statement 2. Based on that we have to conclude. So when we have to use this statement, so we can definitely do this one. N is greater than, N is smaller than P. N is smaller than P, correct. For doing this, we have to combine this. So it says between P and Y, but directly P and Y are not related. So we'll try to make that related. Suppose we can put that A and Y here, right? Equal to C and P. Now you see, is P greater than Y? Is P greater than Y? Yes. So both statements are true here, right? So we have to combine the given statement and then we have to do it. Now, next question. T is greater than R. T is greater than R. Just see, both the statements are opposite. Cannot conclude. S is greater than P. S is greater than P. Correct. R is greater than T. Now you see R and T both are opposite held. Cannot be true. Q is... Now you see this statement, Q is less than S. So if we conclude here, this is also holds true, right? Let's go to next one. Which symbol? This is a very, very famous dice questions which appear in almost every exam. And for doing the shortcuts, just concentrate, you will be able to do any type of question very nicely. So star, opposite of star. So just see what is adjacent of star. Alpha is there, minus is there, here plus is there, here dollar is there. So alpha cannot be opposite, dollar cannot be opposite, this cannot be opposite. So definitely this. Now whenever one dice is only given and they ask you opposite, that means they are using the standard dice concept that the addition always add up to 7. Addition always add up to 7. So this opposite will be 4, this will be 1, and this will be 2. So 3 will be 4. So remember, only when one dice is given, they are asking you the standard dice question. Now, two positions of dice are shown below. How many points will appear on the opposite to the face containing 5 points? Okay. So now here 5. So adjacent of 5, 2 here, 1 opposite. Adjacent of 5, 2 and 1 is here. And what is common in this 2? Suppose if you take 2 is common, then adjacent of 2 is 5, 1, 4, 1. Like no, adjacent of 2 is 5, 1 here, and adjacent of 2 is 4 and 1 is common. So we can write adjacent of 2 is 5, 1 and 4. So now they are asking you, what is opposite of 5? So you see 5 is here. So 2 and 1 is common. 2 here, 1 here, 2 here, 1 here. So definitely 5 and 4 will be opposite to each other. Just what you have to do, you have to take the common parts. So 4 here means, 2 here and 1 here, 2 here and 1 here. That means 5 and 4 are common. That way it can be very, very simple. Now, what number is in opposite plane of 3? Just see also here 2 and 5 are common. So definitely 3 and 4 are opposite to each other. This way we can solve the question very, very easily. Now see, which digit will appear on the face opposite to the face with number 4? Now here, can you find any common? Yes, we can find that 3 is common, right? So 3 is common. Okay, so we can see what number will appear on the face opposite 4. Okay, so you can see 2, if 3 and 3 is there, that means 2 is 6, 1 is 5. So definitely 3 opposite will be 4. That way we can work out, yes, it will be just the opposite view of the number. Similarly here, if you see 3 and 5 is common, 3 and 5 is common. So 1 and 2 are opposite. So definitely answer for here is 1. Similarly, answer for here is 4 they are asking. So 3. Like that, it is very, very simple. Just a glance and you can get the answer. Now, 2 positions of a dice are shown below. Which number will appear on the face opposite to the face with the number 5? So this is the number 5. And here you see 3 and 3 are common. Just see here. So 3 and 3 are common and they are asking you 5. So definitely you can see these two are interlinked. So 6 will be your answer. So very easily again, you can find it just by putting a common relation. Now same, 2 positions of a dice are shown below. When number 1 is at the top, so 1 is at the top, what number will be in the bottom? So same, 4, 6 common, 4, 6 common. So 1 will be opposite 5. So 5 will be the answer. Which number is on the top position to 6? So face opposite to 6. See, adjacent to 6 is 3, 2, 4, and 5. So these numbers cannot be. So definitely 1 will become. Okay. So see, every question you can solve it very easily without just thinking and using your brain. Just you have to look at the question and the answer is ready. 2 positions of dice are shown. If there are 2 dots in the bottom, then how many dots will be on the top? That means bottom and top, again they are asking you the same opposite question. So 2, what is adjacent here? 4 and 1. Okay, so here 4 is also adjacent to, we can say that 4 is adjacent to 5 and 6, and 4 is also adjacent to 2 and 1. So definitely 4 will be adjacent to 3, right? So this question, how many dots will be on the top? So opposite of 2, what can come? So definitely 4 cannot come, 1 cannot come. So if you see 4 adjacent, 5 and 6 are coming. So just looking at the question, you have to think 2 dots in the bottom, then how many dots will be on the top, right? So this 2, so this is your assignment, and then you have to put in the comment box what will be the answer for this question. So hope you have enjoyed, and these questions are not very tough. If you find any doubt, then just ask in the comment box. Thank you. Take care. Bye.